Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is dubious. It's pronounced Dubious, and it's spelt Dubious. Think dub, then the letter I, and then us. Dubious has two meanings. Dubious describes feeling doubt or certainty. For example, if you told your teacher that your dog ate your homework, you might say, "The teacher was dubious of my homework excuse." Dubious also means thought not to be completely true or not able to be trusted. So you could say, "Our guide had a dubious look on his face, which made us all wonder if he knew the way home, if you realized you were going round and round in circles." Dubious comes from the Latin word dubiosus, meaning doubtful. If you are dubious about something, you're doubting it. You could be doubting the result of an action or the truth of a statement, as well as about the certainty of a person or his or her character. Dubious can be applied to many situations. In The Princess and the Frog, for example, Tiana is tempted by Dr. Facilier as he attempts to get the medallion back from her. He offers her the restaurant she has always wanted and says he will make all of her dreams come true. But Tiana is dubious of him. She doesn't trust him, and she's hesitant and doubtful. Eventually, she makes the right choice and refuses his offer. Dubious is an adjective and therefore a describing word. You could describe a plan as dubious if you were doubtful it would work. Or you could say, when questioned about the night of the bank robbery, the suspect's memory was dubious, if you thought their story was not to be trusted. Dubious is defined in the dictionary as hesitating or doubting and not to be relied upon. Dubious's synonyms include doubtful, uncertain, suspicious, suspect, untrustworthy, unreliable, questionable, and shady. Antonyms include certain, definite, truthful, trustworthy, clear, and decisive. See if you notice anything dubious today. It could be something that makes you hesitant or something that you think is a lie. If your sibling has taken one of your toys but says they definitely don't have it, you could say, "I'm feeling a little dubious about that." Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.